What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage with me, Rachel. Today we are autocrossing the 2017 Audi S3 at Thunderhill on their new skid pad. This is actually the first time I've used this skid pad, so it should be pretty cool. Course looks like it's going to be pretty long. You got to do like 2 circles, quite a bit of slaloms, which we don't usually have, so this will be a little bit different in that aspect.
Let's get here for one right now.
Pretty tight.
Time in.
Turn right. Alright, give it some more gas. Slow down a bit. Turn in. Stay right, stay right. Give it some more gas. Left. Right. Brakes. Brakes, 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 brakes. Keep turning. All good. Stay left. Go right. Left. Right. Stay left. Brakes, 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 brakes. Left. Stay right.
Oh my god, that's horrible.
You're doing good, dude. Alright. And brakes, brakes, brakes. Turn. Understeer life. Keep going. You're doing fine.
Oh
Keep
my
going.
god.
Left. Right. Left. Okay, now right. Brake, 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 brake. Okay. Lower it coming out. Doing good. Alright. Now slow down up here. Okay, keep giving some gas. Turn in left.
Oh my god.
Alright, keep going. Give it the gas.
Fucking bitch. I fucking hate this track. This track's a piece of shit. I fucking hate it.
Alright, slow down and right. Yeah, it's super, super tight. Not bad, baby.
So terrible. Where?
I don't know, just don't hit that share.
Where'd it go?
Right here. This one.
Oh my god, that was terrible. Oh my god.
It's all good, babe.
So terrible.
Yeah, it's a lot of left and right.
I'm not doing that shit again.
Nah, you got this.
No, I'm good. I'm fucking good, dude. Wow, hella good.
It's not really fun in this car.
This sucks.
Run number 2.
I got like 70 fucking million.
72, it's not bad.
Alright, time
I
in
got like a
66.866, our first palindrome.
Got like a 72.
66.866.
It wasn't bad. I mean, the
Same
course is
forward and
hard, dude.
backwards.
I'm not gonna lie. This is like one of the harder courses. Way too far back. Car thinks it's gonna crash. I hate that shit.
I'm going in the fucking ocean, dude. I want my windows down, bitch. I'm trying to get out.
Right?
Trying to
Exactly.
fucking drown me
My
or what?
seatbelt's so fucking tight. My seatbelt is like crazy. brake down so hard. Oh!
60.
I'm in 60.818.
Thank you.
Pretty good, babe.
80 seconds.
So I don't know if you guys saw that in the video, but the windows rolled up. This stupid car, when it gets too sideways, it rolls in, windows up, it tightens your seatbelt down to where you feel like you're gonna die. You can't breathe, and it's not really cool. So that's annoying. Why do you do that, Audi? That's annoying. So,
I guess.
all right. Give it some beans. Hit a comb. Left, left, left.
Right?
Yeah. Right.
I hit a cone?
Yeah. Yeah. Brakes, brakes, brakes. Turning. Needed to brake more. Get on the gas.
You're not helping me. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
You're fine. You're fine. All right. Start braking now. Turn in. Slowly apply the gas. Stay right. Just try to keep it halfway on. Just womp, womp, womp. All right. Brakes, 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 brakes. All right. Turn. That was much better. Much better. Back on the gas. Left, right, left.
Go around again?
Brakes, brakes, brake, 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 turn right, very hard, gas out, gas out, gas out. Very good, very good. Let off, back on the gas, back on the brake, fully on the brake. All right, easy out, give it some gas. Keep it left. All right, brake, 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 turn, and much better, much better. 67, that's really good, babe.
Plus 1, right at the start, right by the start.
Sorry, but.
Watch out for this little
They're yelling, not at you.
move
What?
that sign.
Well, that's better.
You
5
gonna hit that
better.
sign? Yeah, that was great. Good job, babe. That was clean. So, that last one was fun, but the seatbelt got crazy. Let's see if we can keep the seatbelt intact. Cool. Horrible.
You look like me. Shitty car. Well, you still did pretty good.
That was bad.
how you did that
Thank
good.
you. That was garbage though. That was fucking garbage. I was overdriving it, but I'm like waiting for some grip in the front and there's like none.
Yeah, this fucking car, dude, sucks, I'm telling you.
Alright, fun stuff. That was a horrible run for me, but whatever. Cool. I think the front tire pressure was getting like pretty high. That was part of it. Plus, I was just thinking it was gonna have grip. The M4 has so much more front end bite. Same with the E30. In that back corner, I was just like, oh, maybe the car will like, maybe I can like get it to like slide a little right there, and it just like did not slide the back at all, and then I was just like straight understeer. I was like,
Yeah, it was
cool.
like me the whole way.
Huh?
That was like me the whole way. The first
I was just like, "Wah!" I was like, oh my god, that was
I don't
garbage.
understand how you got like the same time of that other one though.
No clue. All right, guys, Rachel's third run. I'm gonna try to help her out here a little bit more.
Oh god.
Not to say I was doing well. I'm not.
Yeah.
All right, gonna go for it. Oh god, you ran it over again.
Oh shit. You're not fucking helping me.
Well, stay right.
Okay.
Left.
I need you to fucking help me. I'm
Sorry.
fucking retarded.
Slow down. Brakes. 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 Left. That was good. That was good. All right, give
What?
it some
Now
beans.
what?
Right. Left. Right. so you're hitting that first cone on the initial right.
I
You're
know,
turning too
dang
fast.
it, thank you. I don't know why.
It's because you're set up like shit. Because that, like, our spot sucks. That's why. Because we're not straight.
I'm just gonna back up next time.
Yeah, back up. Yep. That was good. Thank you.
It's fun if you just close your eyes.
Just go for a roller coaster ride.
Oh, that's what I do sometimes.
Doing actually 5 runs today, so that's cool. Get to get one more in there. I cleaned it up by, I don't know, close to a second last time. It was pretty smooth. I still screwed up some spots, but stay left. You're good.
Okay, what?
Alright, turn. Alright, hit the beans now.
Did I hit it?
Nope. Left. Down.
Shit! Fuck! Sorry, what do I do?
Keep going, keep going.
Okay,
You're good.
Sorry,
Sorry,
you're
man.
not fucking helping me. I don't know. I'm like freaking out.
Sorry, you got too much understeer, and I don't know that there was much you could have done besides stop. Go right, left. You get one more run, so that's cool.
I don't want one more run.
Left. Stay right.
Yeah, that was confusing.
Give it the brakes. That was good. Looking good, looking good. Alright, brakes. Turn right. Give it the beans coming out. Yeah, that was good, babe. Brake, 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 brake.
I know.
Alright.
But I'm forward right now, by the way. I was forward right there.
Okay, slow it. All good. Keep going.
God, you're not fucking helping me. God damn it, dude.
Okay.
Sorry.
You didn't hit the timer light, so you're
I
doing
didn't hit
good.
the timer. I was like, oh my god.
But you have one of the finish
I know.
Thanks.
I'm fucking done, dude. I don't want to fucking do this. This is so stupid. I'm not fucking. Do you just want to get the cone out?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Did I hit the timer? Like, I almost.
No, you were fine. You
I
did
didn't know
fine.
what to do right in that point. Like, my fucking car was just doing whatever the fuck it wanted.
Yeah.
I don't know
You
how
got
to
a bit of
control it.
understeer. You just needed to slow down and hit the brakes, I guess.
No, I know, but when you're in understeer, how do you control
Oh,
it?
you're kind of just fucked at that point. Ready?
No one gets a rerun, bitch.
Ready?
What?
Fucking windows, piece of shit, fucking car. Fuck this thing.
Okay, stop. Calm down.
Shit. My seatbelt's all tightened, it freaked out. Stupid ass car,
Fucking
dude.
wheels get too hot, dude. I don't know what that means. Slow down. Calm down.
too. Excuse me.
Stop.
Sorry.
Huh? Oh shit.
So annoyed. These seatbelts tighten down
We
super
know.
hard.
Shut up. Stop blaming everything, dude.
I'm pissed at this fucking
Who
piece of
fucking
shit.
cares? I'm not switching. I'm not doing it.
Alright guys, so that was the 5th and final run for me. Just sent it because I was annoyed at the car because I kept doing some pre-sense stuff that is, I don't know,
Whatever.
I gotta figure out how
We're just
to.
sucking today.
I'm sucking and I'm making excuses.
Blake's a
but
sore loser.
I'm a sore loser. Actually, I probably ran one of the better times, but still. Anyways, yeah, thanks a lot for watching guys. Hopefully I didn't make it annoying because I was annoying.